Omegon Newton N76-700 AZ1 reflecting telescope is perfect for an easy access to amateur astronomy, and it is a fantastic present for kids and grown-ups. It offers outstanding value for money. The appliance may be mounted easily without any additional tools. The entry-level category of reflecting telescopes starts with a 76mm aperture. You can explore the system of Jupiter with its 4 big Jovian moons, the rings of Saturn, as well as countless lunar craters. In good visibility, the telescope shows some deep sky object, for instance, the Andromeda Galaxy. The spherical mirror has a focal length of 700 millimeters, which, combined with the mirror diameter, results in high-quality, detailed images. With the 1.25-inch eyepiece extension, all standard eyepieces can be used. You can adjust sharpness by a pinion and rack system, which is finely controllable by a focus knob. An optical 5x24 finder scope enables you to find the celestial objects you want to see simply and fast. The scope of delivery includes a 4mm, a 12.5mm, and a 20mm eyepiece, and a ×2 Barlow lens that doubles the eyepiece magnification. The alt-azimuth AZ1 mount is a favorite among beginners, as it is very easy to operate. Apart from that, it is not necessary to align this version to the North Star. The telescope may easily be moved in azimuth and altitude. The position is adjustable in 2 axes so that terrestrial objects stay in the field of view once you have found them. You can move the tube within the vertical axes by means of a fine adjustment. The aluminum tripod is vertically adjustable, and a storage shelf provides space for eyepieces and other accessories.